Alright friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out the Crenova Projector. This has a 1080p LED video projector. Let's see LCD though. On the box, the other thing says LCD. Anyways, it's got L something D. Has a remote control, MHL support. Okay, so it does say LCD source here. Stereo speaker headphone, HD support, AV 3-in-1 support, VGA support. So you can grab this off of Amazon for about $250. I'm going to leave a link in the description below and you guys can check it out if you want to. So the box has a nice little handle here. Just thought I'd point that out before I actually unbox this product. All right, so this one says it has a 60 hertz refresh rate, 1080p, which is pretty decent. All right. There we have that. Let's go ahead and slide this side box out here and see what has accessory package. All right, in the accessory package we have user manual, guarantee, a power cord. I'm going to show you, like to show the length on these. It's nice to have a longer power cord with these displays, just in case your outlet's kind of far away. So this is about a 6-foot power cord, which is good. Comes with your audio connection. I believe this is the screw that adjusts the height of the projector. Okay, oops, just dropped something there. Comes with an HDMI cord, which is pretty cool. Didn't have to come with that. Nice little remote. And 4 mounting screws, it looks like. I'll have to figure out what I just dropped here. See if I can hunt that down. Okay. Right, nice little lens cloth to wipe your lens off and keep it clean. That's kind of cool. All right, let's check out the projector, shall we? This is fairly heavy. Seems like it weighs, I don't know, a few pounds here. Probably about 7 or 8 pounds, between something like that. So it's nicely wrapped in this little anti-static bag deal here. Oh, it's a pretty one. So this red color is kind of cool. See if I can get it out of this bag. Oh wow, it's beautiful. Okay, let's see if I can grab the lens cover out of the bag here. All right, so look at that, isn't it pretty? It's all shiny. So the back, we got our regular plug-in. We have audio in, out, VGA, 2 HDMI ports and 2 USB ports. You can hook up different pretty much any device you want to. On the top it has a power button. Oops, sorry about that. Power button, menu options and different things there. So if you're not using your remote, you can use that. Yeah, man, I just can't. Looks like a really cool projector here. I'm liking the color. Where did that little screw go? All right. So your little height adjustment screw goes right in here. Dun, 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 dun. It's just left-handed, so there we go. So that you can adjust your height with that and get it to however you want it to go. What is this? Interesting. So back here, maybe this is a filter or something. I'm not exactly sure. Can't pull that out. Anyways, that is that. It's got your adjustment. It's got the keystone and focus adjustments right up here, which is kind of nice. Different projector I had, you had to turn this part here to adjust it, and it was kind of difficult to get a grip on it, and your hand was going in front of the thing as well. So I like that the adjusters are up here, a lot easier to work with. That's pretty cool. I believe it's adjustable with the remote as well. So the lens cover is right there, and doesn't look like that lens cover goes on there. That's weird. Maybe if I adjust the focus a little bit. Okay, so if the focus is out, the focus was in all the way, that's why the lens cover wasn't going on. If the focus is out a little bit, voila, lens cover fits perfectly. So there's that. Just push that in a little bit. Anyways, that's about it for this unboxing, my friends. I'm going to be doing a product review as well as a demonstration in a little bit, and I'm going to obviously leave a link to that video in the description below when I finish it, as well as a link to the Amazon site for this particular projector. So thanks for watching this unboxing. Everyone have a great day out there, and we'll see you soon.